Hello, friends. Welcome back to Talk Easy English. Today we are going to learn something very useful in English grammar, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Don't worry, I will explain in a super simple way with examples you already know. Countable nouns are the things we can count using numbers. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count directly with numbers. You cannot say one rice or 2 waters. Instead, we use words like a glass of water, a bag of rice, or a piece of music. Countable nouns use many and few. Example, I have many friends. Uncountable nouns use much and little. Example, I don't have much sugar. So remember, many/few for countables, much/little for uncountables. Let's practice. Tell me in the comments, is coffee countable or uncountable? Is egg countable or uncountable? Great job! Now you know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Keep practicing, and your English will get better every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Talk Easy English with your friends. See you in the next video.